The most common challenge with teenagers is lack of focus, distraction, and short temperament. To solve this, one thing, one solution, one skill is meditation. I know it's very difficult to get teenagers to meditate, and that's why we're bringing up the best, which is Yes course by Art of Living, and none other than the best meditation coach, Shweta Vyas. Let's hear it from her why this Yes course is a must for all teenagers as well as parents, and why they should attend and get their focus back, get their concentration back, and take away all the distractions and get on track with their success roadmap. So let's hear it from Shweta.
Hello, guys. It's a pleasure to be here. And thank you, Vishal and Meghna, for giving this opportunity to share about what the entire Yes program is all about. And I'm super happy that this program is going to come your way. आप सब ये सीखने वाले हैं as part of your program. And a brief introduction about me. My name is Shweta, and I'm an Art of Living faculty. I've been teaching Art of Living program since last 15 years. Professionally, I'm a private banker, and I've been into private banking again since last 15, 16 years. So yes, as you can see that mind management and money management both goes hand in hand, and I'm super happy that you will be learning this on this program. So what is Art of Living? Art of Living क्या है? Art of Living जो largest humanitarian educational NGO है, volunteer based NGO है. We are present in 186 countries, and our main aim of the organization is to spread the message of stress-free living. And इतना तनाव जो हो गया है आजकल लोगों के मन में, तो कैसे तनाव मुक्त जीवन हम जी सकते हैं एक खुशी के साथ, एक खुशी की लहर के साथ, एक शांत पीसफुल माइंड के साथ. तो ये आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का एक फाउंडेशन है जिसमें तो हम जो करोड़ों लोग जो ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में हम सब जुड़े हुए हैं इसी सेवा में कि एक मैसेज ऑफ पीस जाए और अपने जीवन में हम इसको कैसे उतार के एक एक्सीलेंस की ज़िंदगी जिए. सो जो येस कोर्स आप सीखने वाले हैं इट इज़ फॉर द टीन्स. अच्छा, अब अपनी ये एज ऐसी है ना, जो एज 13 to 17, इट्स अ वेरी प्राइमरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एज जिसमें हम काफ़ी लाइफ स्किल्स सीखते हैं, है ना. आप अपनी हायर एजुकेशन में जाते हैं, आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि आपको क्या ट्रेनिंग करनी है, तो इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ स्किल्स आप इस टाइम पे अपने जीवन में लेकर आते हैं. यू वांट टू स्पेंड टाइम टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. नाउ येस कोर्स इज़ अबाउट टीचिंग यू the life skills at personal level, personal skills. एक होती है प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स जो आप स्कूल में सीखते हैं, अपना मैथ्स, साइंस, जो भी आप सब्जेक्ट सीखते हैं, पर ये सब एक प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स होंगी जो आपको आगे आपके करियर में काम आएगी. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक पर्सनैलिटी, पर्सनल स्किल्स जिसमें आपका मन, आपका बिहेवियर, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, आपकी पीस, ये सब से जो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी बनती है, वो पर्सनैलिटी आपकी कैसे शाइन होगी, दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू गोइंग टू लर्न ऑन द येस प्रोग्राम. दैट हाउ can I be more confident? How can I learn more? How can I be enthusiastic? How can I be stress-free from the pressure of exams, from the peer pressure? जो competition का हम इतना stress होता है, जो हमें marks का इतना stress होता है, तो इस सब को कैसे हम संभल के एक personality को हमारी shine करें, ये हम yes course में सीखने वाले हैं. Benefits of yes course, it's वे टू मैनी. देखिए, आजकल जिस तरह से एग्ज़ाम्स का प्रेशर है, आजकल जिस तरीके से ग्लोबल एक्सेस है इन्फॉर्मेशन का, आज आप इंटरनेट पे जाते हैं, आपको हज़ार चीज़ें दिखती है, तो कभी कभी मन में आता है अच्छा मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, कभी आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको बोलते हैं अच्छा हम ये सीख लेते हैं, फिर पेरेंट्स ने बोला या कुछ कज़न्स ने बोला, सब लोग आपको एडवाइस देते हैं. ये एक ऐसी एज है जहाँ पे हर इंसान से एडवाइस मिलती है कि आपको करियर में क्या करना चाहिए. तो ये इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन जब हमें अवेलेबल है फ्रॉम द फ्रेंड्स, फ्रॉम द सोशल मीडिया एप्स, फ्रॉम द फैमिली, फ्रॉम सो मैनी अदर सोर्सेज, तो हमारा दिमाग क्या होता है, कन्फ्यूज़ड हो जाता है. तो हमारी डिसीजन मेकिंग जो है वो बहुत फियरफुल रहती है, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि ये हम राइट डिसीजन ले रहे हैं कि नहीं ले रहे हैं, ये हमारा होगा कि नहीं होगा, अभी मैं ये पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ एंड आई एम स्पेंडिंग सो मच ऑफ टाइम, मैं इसमें सक्सेस हो पाऊंगी कि नहीं हो पाऊंगा. तो हमें इतना फियर आ जाता है ना रिजल्ट का कि हम उस चीज़ों को आगे नहीं ले पाते. क्लैरिटी ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग हम में लैक करती है. और कभी कभी व्हाट हैपन्स, जब हम इतने सारे लोगों को ब्रिलियंटली परफॉर्म करते हुए देखते हैं, तो एक सेंस ऑफ कंपटीशन से थोड़ी नर्वसनेस भी आती है, होती है कि नहीं होती. दिस पर्सन हैज़ गॉट मोर मार्क्स, आई हैव गॉट लेस मार्क्स इन दिस. सो समटाइम्स वी सी सो मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड अस कि हमें वो कंपैरिजन से लो फील होने लगता है. सो ये सब जो फियर फैक्टर्स हैं जो कि आपके एक्सीलेंस को छुपा रहे हैं, वो सब छट जाएगा. आप में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा, आप में इतना प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड आ जाएगा कि आप अपने पोटेंशियल से आगे चलेंगे. यू विल नॉट सी कि कौन आपसे बेटर कर रहा है और कौन आपसे बेटर नहीं कर रहा है. एक क्लैरिटी के साथ चलेंगे अपने लाइफ में, विथ फ्रेंडलीनेस, विथ स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइफ, एंड you will enjoy your studies and you will enjoy giving the exams and you will enjoy getting those marks also. So this is the process. Yes program में आपकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत ब्यूटिफुली शेप होती है. जैसे आप टीम्स के साथ कैसे काम कर सकते हो, आपका आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ कम्युनिकेशन किस लेवल का होना चाहिए. दिस इज़ एन एज जहाँ पे काफ़ी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं. लाइक यू सी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैपनिंग बिटवीन पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन ऑन देयर आइडियाज़, ऑन देयर व्यूज़, लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू, शॉर्ट टर्म व्यू. So how can you combine the balance of energy and experience? Because see, teens come with the energy and parents come with experience. So you have to combine both of them to get the best for your future. So ये एक इंटेलिजेंस आपकी एक तो बहुत शार्प हो जाएगी इसमें. You will make the right decision. Relationship with parents, with peer groups, friendliness, ये सब बहुत natural है to get after doing the YES course. We do YES programs in a lot of schools, and we will share at the end of this session. I'll share with you some videos where students have done the YES program and they have shared that how beautifully they have felt. They have in fact made more friends. अब आप मुझे बताइए, आप एक स्कूल जाते हैं या कॉलेज जाते हैं, कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं आपके? 1, 2, 5, 10? पर मैं बोलूँ ये कम है. जब तक आपके 100 फ्रेंड्स नहीं हैं या पूरी क्लास आपकी फ्रेंड नहीं है, तब तक आपने वो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग नहीं सीखा. सो ये जो एबिलिटी है कि हम जहाँ जाएं दोस्त बनाएं, और कितना भी डिफरेंस हो, कोई पर्सनालिटी में किसी का कोई टैलेंट है, किसी का कोई टैलेंट है, तो हमारी अप्रोच में हम कैसे किसी से सीख सकते हैं. हाउ कैन वी टेक द राइट थिंग एंड कैन आई बी फ्रेंडली. बिकॉज चलो स्कूल में 5-10 फ्रेंड्स हैं, बट आगे जाके आप कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाएंगे, अपना बिजनेस बनाएंगे, जो भी आप करेंगे, एक चीज़ जो आपको सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जो काम आएगी, वो है आपका नेचर, आपकी फ्रेंडलीनेस. आप कितने लोगों को साथ में लेके चल सकते हैं, एंड वो आपको स्कूल में नहीं सिखाया जाता. स्कूल में एकेडमिक्स होती है, बट जब आप तनाव में होते हो तो आप फ्रेंडली भी नहीं होते हो. हैव यू नोटिस दिस? फोकस नहीं होता, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं होता. तो ये सब केस स्टडीज़ वी विल रिफ्लेक्ट, हम आपको वील शेयर इट विथ यू. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जितना आपके एक्सपीरियंस में उतरेगा उतना ज़्यादा ऑथेंटिक होगा, है कि नहीं? सो you should experience this course personally. Do it 100% because इससे आपका concentration बढ़ेगा, awareness बढ़ेगी, आपका enthusiasm बढ़ेगा, you will be less stressed, और वो exam का tension will be completely gone out of the window. So I think it's a great life skill to learn. I really urge all the parents that today meditation, mind management, all of these things have become so important. आप इतना अपने बच्चों में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो ताकि उनका फ्यूचर ब्राइट हो, बट मन में एंड माइंड में इन्वेस्ट करना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है. I have learned in the art of living that the quality of your mind determines the quality of your life. आप सारा अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट दे दो, लेकिन अगर मन में तनाव है तो हम उसमें कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. लेकिन अगर हमारे आसपास कुछ भी इतना ठीक नहीं चल रहा और मन की स्थिति अच्छी है, तो आप कोई भी चैलेंज को कवर कर पाएंगे. तो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं आजकल, it's not that they go through a lot of challenges because lives are pretty fairly comfortable for us, isn't it? But as we grow, we will come through challenges, we will go through complexities. So as parents, I sincerely urge that mind management should be the key for any child's development that a parent should not ignore today. A child has to learn the ability to be peaceful, to be happier, to be stress free. तो ये जो ब्रीदिंग प्रैक्टिसेस करते हैं, इससे उनका ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ एनर्जी होता है. नहीं तो एक चाइल्ड की एनर्जी कंपटीशन में, कंपैरिजन में, स्ट्रेस में चली जा रही है और वो कुछ नई चीज़ें सीख भी नहीं पा रहे. तो ये एलिमेंट में आप अगर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, सो you will see that a child's personality is shaping, and personality development is equally important. जो आपका प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट है वो तो हो ही रहा है, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट हो रहा है बिकॉज दे आर स्टडिंग, बट पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट साथ साथ करेंगे तो ही उनको बेनिफिट मिलेगा. नहीं तो एकेडमिक्स कर लेंगे, बट अगर पर्सनालिटी में स्ट्रेस है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, तो वो आगे कहीं अपीयर नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नीड कि हमारे बच्चे की एक पर्सनैलिटी शेप हो और उनका माइंड जो है वो लाइट हो, स्ट्रेस फ्री हो, हैप्पी हो और कॉन्फिडेंट हो. So yes, that's why I urge all the parents that they should ensure their kids sit through this program. See, importance of mind management. We all understand mind कितना important है, right? अगर आज आपको मैं बोलूँ कि आपकी problem solving ability आपकी कहाँ से आती है, आप बोलोगे माइंड से. अगर मैं बोलूँ आपकी हैप्पी होने की एबिलिटी कहाँ पे आती है, आप बोलोगे माइंड से. पीसफुल रहने की एबिलिटी कहाँ से आती है, माइंड से. और स्ट्रेस कहाँ हो रहा है, माइंड में. तो माइंड मैनेजमेंट कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं हो सकता है. माइंड मैनेजमेंट तो सबसे ज़्यादा नीड है अभी, बिकॉज ये माइंड जो है आपका सब कुछ फंक्शन कर रहा है. अगर मन अच्छा है तो आप सब कुछ करेंगे, अगर मन अच्छा नहीं है तो आई कैन गिव यू द बेस्ट ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज, आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, आपका फोकस नहीं आएगा, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं आएगा, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट then you will not be happy with your marks or anything that comes out with distracted mind. So focused and calm mind is a great resource and you can't just leave it. अगर मैं आपको आज 200 रुपीज़ दूँ या 2000 रुपीज़ दूँ या 2 लाख रुपीज़ दूँ, आप वो 2 लाख रुपीज़ को इधर उधर फेंकोगे क्या? नहीं. वाई? बिकॉज मैटर करता है, इट्स अ रिसोर्स, इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट ये जो हमारा मन है जिसकी वजह से आप वो 2 लाख कमाओगे, आपको उसका ध्यान तो रखना पड़ेगा. सो आपकी मनी मेकिंग एबिलिटी भी आपके माइंड से है, तो माइंड आपका बिगेस्ट एसेट है. सो माइंड मैनेजमेंट इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट नीड एंड द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द सक्सेस ऑफ आवर लाइफ टुडे. सो फाइनल मैसेज टू टीन्स इज दैट सी यू इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, आप यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट सीखने आए हैं और सीखने वाले हैं. हमको सबको पता है कि मनी कितना इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है. आज हम जो भी एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं, इवेंचुअली फॉर व्हाट, दैट यू वांट टू मेक गुड मनी फॉर योरसेल्फ, फॉर फैमिली, फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव. So money is a resource, right? So you're investing. Now, one of the most important principle of financial management में क्या है? Long term investment. सारे investments long term होने चाहिए. तो जितना जल्दी शुरू करोगे उतना आपको ज़्यादा फ़ायदा करेगा. तो जितना जल्दी आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी में भी इन्वेस्ट करोगे उतना वो आपको लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट देने वाला है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस एसेट कॉल्ड एज माइंड, then you need to start investing in it right now. And then the returns are multifold. So thank you, Vishal, and thank you, Meghna. And, you know, it's so inspiring to see you both giving such education to all your students, because while you're giving them technical knowledge, you're also giving them the tools to how to achieve and how to implement this technical knowledge. So you are the perfect combination of giving them the tools and techniques together. एक तो आपने सीख लिया कि पैसे कैसे बनाने, लेकिन मन को कैसे शांत रख के उसको हैंडल करना है. ये ग्रेट combination है. And you know, you all are so lucky to have mentors like Vishal and Meghna who are giving you a combination of both this, that you will have no reason, आपका वो बोलते ना कि you will only move forward from here. You have everything that you need to be successful. So I wish you all the very best. Have a great program, and yes, keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you.
I did my Medha Yoga Level 1 course 1 year ago. Before this course, I was a very shy person. I would shy away from any ideas of public speaking. I will not even talk to my classmates without reason. But after doing this course, I have a lot of confidence. I can confidently now go and give a speech in my assembly. Secondly, before this course, I used to think that I have no capacity. I cannot do anything in my life. I thought I was hopeless, useless. But after this course, it has given me a lot of confidence in myself, and I have started thinking that I can achieve anything what I want. I can go anywhere where I wish to. Third, it has helped me in my studies. Before, when I used to sit and study for studying, I would have no focus. My mind will wander off in every direction, and I'll get all these unnecessary thoughts which should not come while you are studying. But after this course, now my mind is fully focused in my studies, and it has become very easy for me to complete my studies in a short time. So I get more time to do the activities which I love. And fourth thing, it has helped me to control my emotions. I used to get a lot of mood swings. 1 minute I'm happy, 1 minute I'm sad. I would have no balance of my mind. I won't even know what I'm speaking because my mind would be full of clutter, bad thoughts and everything. But after this course and doing Sudarshan Kriya and practicing it every day, it has made my mind very stable, calm and happy.
Where is my life headed? How to manage time? There is so much to do. Whom can I really trust? When will my parents understand? What is the point in living? How do I deal with the breakup? How do I face everything? How do I face everything? What about money? What's the So many questions. Answers don't always come easy. Even if you know the answer, how to really bring it down to life is something that has never been taught.
Magic.
Wonderful.
A total blessing. It definitely works.
Imagine all the people living.
The Yes Plus series of youth empowerment and skills workshops are designed to bring out the best in every individual. It specifically aims at the all-round development of 18 to 30-year-olds. In just a few days, this program brings about a profound change in the attitude towards life.
Levi's lasts for what? 3 to 5 years. A perfume will stay on you for like 24 hours. But this smile and this inner feeling of absolute bliss is something that will last me at least a lifetime and even more, I'm sure.
My emotions don't handle me. I handle them. That is a very big change that came into me after doing this course.
It was so much effortless for me. I mean, changing for a smoker, that too smoking cigarettes, 40 cigarettes a day from non-smoker, it was just effortless.
After the Yes Plus course, I have been able to concentrate, I think, 1,000 times better. It's amazing. Like, I study for 2 hours regularly and I'm able to top my university. So I think that's the best feeling ever.
I wanted to quit, my addictions, which the Yes Plus definitely helped me a lot with it. I could easily quit stuff, and they gave me alternate, techniques which helped me, quit the drug habits and my smoking.
It has to be Yes Plus because that confidence, that oneness that I feel now with my parents, and especially with my father, I didn't used to.
Interactions with participants revealed this shocking trend. Nearly 60 to 70% of youngsters don't get along well with their parents, and around 70 to 74% dislike their teachers.
As parents, we used to think how to teach her the responsibilities, and within no time we could find in her not only taking up the responsibilities, understanding the responsibility and going further in shouldering them.
After doing the course, I've started understanding things better. A maturity has come up. Because I know now that even I have to understand them. It's not only their turn to understand me always. I have to do something in return also.
She's interested in everything now. She's interested in life. She's become more full of life.
The bonding is very strong, and moreover that we are very much sure about them that they are not going to into any sort of like addiction or something. That is the biggest thing has happened after this Yes Plus course. I am really grateful for it.
Today I have not touched the smoke for 3 or 4 days, and I plan to leave it. I plan to leave it. So much of freshness and so much of life has come into me.
Our fights are over now.
My preaching sessions with him were quite frequent. And now I don't remember when I did that last.
It used to be a monologue between him and me, and now it's more of a discussion. So it's sort of a dialogue now.
Vidya, her father and me, we have developed a different type of bonding ever since Vidya has joined this course. There is a lot of cheer in the house.
An important aspect of the program is the Sudarshan Kriya, a miraculously effective tool conceived by His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, which ensures a healthy body and a relaxed, stress-free mind. The result, no wonder, is as miraculous.
parents come and meet the teachers and say, now that we have seen changes in our students, in our children at home, please continue with it and have more follow-ups, because the day they have a follow-up, when they come back, they're very different on those days.
The number of suicide cases that we read about in the newspaper, it's happening as early as class 6, yes, comes to picture when it teaches you how to cope with life, and life is beyond an examination, beyond a classroom, and probably it teaches children not to take one failure as final.
I'm a personal witness to this change in the students. I see them blossoming. We have heard about the butterfly coming out of the cocoon. I see it every day in my class.
I was a very aggressive child, and after the course I became very soft, and even my grandparents turned back and asked my parents, what have you done to this girl?
I have seen changes in my son, very shy boy, he wouldn't talk much, he was an introvert type, but after going for this Yes Plus course, I've seen tremendous change in him.
That trust and that faith in elders and your own family that came back. The relatives around, the neighbors around, when they see us, they're like, okay, now even we have to go for this. Even we want this in our home.
With Yes Plus, you get all of this energy and all of this excitement, and you feel and know, and you can, and you do. You own the future. You own it. You can do anything you want.
Yes Plus is about creating spiritually empowered young people for the world, and a strong alumni force who are a source of pride for their family and community at large.
So that's your Super Teens Boot Camp. Now let me give you all the details about boot camp if you are not registered yet. ये सबके लिए है, 10 से 20 साल के बच्चे सब अटेंड कर सकते हैं, सबका रिप्ले भी मिलेगा, सब कुछ करने को मिलेगा, पेरेंट्स भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं. So let's have it on your screen. So Start Early Finish Rich is a 5-day challenge, 5 दिन का चैलेंज है जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है 1 जून को, और उसमें वेल्थ कोशेंट एंड देन जीनियस कोशेंट एंड स्पिरिचुअल कोशेंट पे काम किया जाएगा. In this 5-day challenge, I'm going to talk about financial literacy, which is learn about different financial instruments, learn investing skills and avenues early in life. The Start Early Finish Rich challenge is your chance to get started in your life with financial success. Then you are going to learn the 7 habits जो आपने कनन से सीखा. मैं आपको और डिटेल में एक हैबिट को सिखाऊंगा ताकि वो हैबिट अगर आपने अभी से डालना शुरू कर दिया, which will help you for long term. Right? So 7 habits of effective learn to improve your self-image, your build friendships, resist peer pressure, achieve your goals, appreciate your parents, tackle the new challenges like cyberbullying and social media and all the other things which you face. That's your thing. And the third is 3 days Yes course by Art of Living, where you again learn to be productive and dynamic while staying cool and centered. Right? Mind को control में रखें. Learn powerful breathing techniques, yoga, meditation and practical wisdom of the modern world. मतलब ऐसा deadly combination आपको कहीं देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. So under one roof, under one program. Right? So all this plus you are going to get a gift box, right? Like this band and book and swag box and all those things at your doorstep when you register for this, and that is going to be there. Plus you are going to get replays for 2 weeks. मतलब समझो आपने उस डेट पे अटेंड नहीं किया, कुछ मिस हो गया, आपका स्कूल कॉलेज प्रोजेक्ट किधर भी बिजी हो, सो यू कैन वॉच द रिप्ले लेटर एंड 2 वीक तक आपको रिप्लेस भी मिलेंगे ताकि आप बाद में भी देख सको. अगर आपको दूसरी बार देखना है, तीसरी बार देखना है, नोट्स लेना है, कुछ मिस हो गया, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो 2 weeks. And then of course you are going to be part of Facebook community if you want to be, right? So which is Start Early Finish Rich challenge. People, all the kids, all the teenagers will be there, super teens. So you can communicate, you can share your wins, share your goals, everything can be there. So all this put together, plus you are going to have a super brain masterclass. How to master the brain power, like especially during exams. अगर आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, आपको जल्दी से याद रखना है, memory techniques and all that. We are going to do a super brain masterclass also for this once the challenge is over. So all this put together is the value of this can be more than 25,000. In fact, it's invaluable. We have kept it as a nominal price because this is the first Start Early Fish Finish It challenge just for 3,300 rupees for your teenager. Now, आपके घर में एक टीनेजर है या दो है या चार है या आजू बाजू वालों को भी बुला के बैठ सकते हो और पेरेंट्स को भी बुला सकते हो. It's going to be still 3,300 because completely online. You don't need to travel anywhere. You sit in your house like what you are doing today and you can watch the replays. You can work on your mind, body and soul, everything together just for 3,300, which includes the GST, which includes the swag box, which includes all the learnings and trainings, which includes Yes course, which includes 7 habits, which includes 5-day challenge, everything plus the community, plus the Super Brain Masterclass. So this is not business for us. This is a passion project. हमारे बाकी जो बड़े programs होते हैं, those are not priced at 2,000-3,000. Those are priced into thousands and lakhs of rupees. But this is like a pet project for me. This is like I'm teaching my teenagers. So I want your teenagers to also learn. So this is one thing which I missed as a teenager when I was a teenager and I was learning stock market or learning all the skills. I think this is a great opportunity. It's the best time to do this. Thank you so much. And here is the QR code. You register. If you register before like 27th of May, then your swag box will reach on time. Otherwise, it will be delayed. So make sure you book before 27th of May. And that's your challenge. Who's in? Who's ready? And you can even, if you have already joined, make sure you pass on this link to or more people so that they can also join. And this is the first batch we are doing 1st to 5th of June. Replays are available. Everybody can watch it. Even if you don't have a teenager, you should still attend as an adult because you want to learn a lot of things about all the things which we discussed. I thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this Super Teens Bootcamp. We enjoyed doing it and it was a pleasure. So I am a pro. Put that in the chat box because अभी से आप कुछ भी काम करोगे आप pro level पे काम करोगे. सीख के master करके करोगे. You are not shy. You are not deconfident. You are not distracted. You are focused. You have a goal. You have a focus. You have mindset clear. You have cool and calm temperament. And you are a super teen. और याद है मैंने आपको एक चैलेंज दिया है कि सुपर टीन्स के फेसबुक ग्रुप में जाके आप एक 30 सेकेंड वीडियो बनाओगे एंड से I am this, I'm Vishal Malkan, I'm attending this boot camp, I'm a super teen and I'm super confident, and put that in the Facebook and we are going to announce the winner during the challenge. Thank you so much. Good luck.